Your iPhone is severely damaged by 247 virus is a notification that some iPhone users are seeing while browsing the YouTube feed. If you have come across similar advertisement or any sponsored advertisements while surfing the YouTube feed, don't click on anything. And even if you have clicked and installed any application, I will also suggest you the steps you need to follow to prevent or clean up your iPhone from such app installations and to clean up any leftover infection possibilities. In a recent LinkedIn post, as per 9 to 5 Mac, Renee Burton, VP of Threat Intelligence, have mentioned about virus cleaner apps that targets innocent iPhone and iPad users by taking advantage of the YouTube ad network. In the App Store, when you search for any cleaner apps or antiviruses or virus cleaning apps for your iPhone or iPad, you will find plenty of something from McAfee, AVG, Kaspersky, Bitdefender, and plenty of other branded products. Other than that, there are hundreds of cleaner apps that helps you to clean the photos app with the duplicate content and the contacts cleaning and plenty of other temporary files cleaning solutions. iPhone is not like Android. iOS is not designed the way the Android OS works. We don't need any third-party cleaning apps, and all the necessary cleaning utilities are built right inside your iPhone and iPad. The first important step, if you have accidentally clicked on install and installed any app from App Store believing that it will help you to clean that 247 virus infections that could severely damage your iPhone or iPad, then navigate inside the settings, general, then scroll to the last, VPN and device management. Inside, if you are seeing any profile, you need to click and delete that specific profile to prevent the hackers or any third-party apps controlling your internet traffic, all the activities that you do on your iPhone. After doing that, to prevent further any leftover infections, simply go to the settings, general, transfer or reset, and there you need to perform reset all settings. Do not perform the erase and reset all settings, just perform the reset and then reset all settings. This will help you to clean up any infections possibilities, any modifications to the system settings and Safari browser settings, and also make sure to delete any such apps that you have installed on your iPhone by clicking on such notification pop-up alerts that you see on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. For more, don't forget to subscribe. You may share this video with your friends and followers if you think it'll be useful. Thank you and have a wonderful day.